21st century, and we're still wiring our buildings like this? All the materials, plus 10% extra, are brought to site in the raw state. Pipes are cut and bent, wires are pulled off spools, and connections are handmade by several contractors, including highly paid specialists, all based on an educated estimate of what you actually need.
There's always the cost of the material plus markup. You never know, quite frankly, what that markup is, and you're never certain as an end user what you're paying for. You know the job will be complete, but your construction costs are always a bit of a gray area.
On top of the extra material you may or may not need, there's all that waste material.
We've called it at many places the uh-oh pile, where there's just big pieces of pipe that were bent wrong and scrap wire that's been left over. And on pretty much every job you get that. A client pays for all the scrap. Contractors take that into consideration, and we'll consider the uh-oh pile and charge them for that.
At best, those scraps are sent to the recyclers, but in most cases, they go to the landfill. Later, when space is renovated or demolished, the waste is exponential. The answer to all this is pre-manufactured, modular, plug-and-play power solutions. Components are built in a clean, organized facility. Waste is minimal, and recycling is closely monitored. All components are tested, the price is exact and easily understood, and best of all, everything simply clips together and can be installed and relocated by a small crew, with or without journeymen.
Sustainability is going to be the key. That's what's going to drive this in my mind. It eliminates a major portion of the waste that happens on the construction sites today.
On this job, that was the scrap that was left over.
It provides individuals with a chance to say, look, I'm not filling the stuff in the landfill. I'm actually reusing the componentry. It is plug-and-play technology. It's perfect for the changing workplace today. It provides the end users with an opportunity they can do it themselves.
A conventional job, there has to be a journeyman. There has to be a journeyman. You can't work without a journeyman. On a modular job, the maintenance guy in the building can pretty much connect everything together. It's just a click. It's plug and play. And it works, it really does.
End users such as Carrie Leung not only appreciate the sustainable aspects of plug-and-play modular power, but the business benefits too.
Some of the office spaces that we had laid out originally weren't how the employee actually wanted to have their desk laid out, so we found ourselves picking up carpet tiles and moving floor tiles around and the outlets. If we had it conventionally constructed, you're pretty much stuck with where the outlets are without doing a major renovation again, and you haven't even moved in yet.
I think what it does for us as facilities people, it provides us with an opportunity to react to the end users in a faster manner. As they want to reshuffle their space and move and change, it provides us with an opportunity to, like I said before, it's plug and play. I unplug it, I put it into the new location, I walk away from it.
However, until recently, something that was not helpful to end users on both conventional and modular jobs was the electrical drawing.
My biggest challenge is to try and explain what a blueprint is, and trying to get the two-dimensional into the three-dimensional mind.
You know, I circulated the plans out to all of our partners and other employees, staff employees, and before we started construction, and nobody had any comments, but the day the walls are going up, oh, well, I want some more wire over here, and I want another data cable here, and I want to be able to do this, which were all things that should have been identified earlier on, but weren't.
A new innovation introduced to the modular power world is intelligent front-to-back 3D software. Its user-friendly graphical interface empowers end users to make faster decisions without understanding electrical drawings. It not only calculates the exact cost and parts list required for your space, It shows you the space in interactive, real-time 3D, where you can also make changes that are reflected throughout instantly.
The 3D provides the opportunity to go to the CEO or the end users to virtually say, this is what your space is going to be. Here's what your walls will look like. Here's where we're going to provide you with a power outlet, a data outlet. Is it sufficient? The beauty of the whole system is the integration back up to a full-blown spreadsheet that provides me with costs.
Though modular plug-and-play power solutions install faster with smaller crews and fewer specialists, even electrical contractors will find it is good for business.
Just from working with this stuff, I know that it's faster, it's way faster, so much faster. And time is really important when it comes to our job. Like, for instance, you get a job done quicker than most people. You can take your guys and move them to other jobs that are, vital and necessary for them to be at.
Modular plug-and-play power. Sustainable, fast, clean, tested, agile, and strategic.